but I'm going to show you guys how to clean your stuffed animals. I haven't cleaned mine in a while, so I forget how, but I'm just using this technique. I created it, so I already did it to this lamb, and this lamb has white wool, as you can tell, and I just used blue perfume for some reason. That's the only one I could really find, and it turned out okay. I'll teach you guys how to do it. I already did that one, so I'm going to work with Spirit, as you guys all know from past videos. So let me just put you guys on a pillow. Where can I put you guys? Here. And there. So first, you need a perfume. It doesn't matter what color. Well, I would prefer doing like a brownish type depending on the color of the fur. I only have blue, but I guess if you have white wool, blue would still work fine. You just have to use less. And then you need your stuffed animal. You got it. And make sure it's like your favorite, and make sure you're not allergic to it. I'm using Seaside Breeze. It's probably backwards for you guys, but still. And first, you want to go with one side. So, sorry. You want to do 3. And then you want to rub it in. Because then you want to get it all over that side. Give me a second. Then you want to do the same to the other side. Rub that in. Rub that baby boy. I'm just kidding. Then you want to do it to his back. And you were done. Well, not really. You can stab the other parts, but you're done with the back and stuff. I didn't get to his legs though and stuff. So with his tail, or like if your character has a tail, like I said, don't try this, but if you do, I'm just teaching you. We're gonna do little bits, since like it's really like a sensitive part in a way, because like it doesn't have that much sewn to it. And like it depends on like if the scent is strong, you might want to do like a little bit. If it's not that strong and you want it strong, you can just do like 2 squirts. Like if you want it really strong, you can do 2 squirts, like right here, right here, and right here. For under, you do the exact same thing. Since mine's blue, it's okay still. Like I said to the other one. Then you want to do his stomach. I'm doing the head last, since the head is like this most sensitive part, I guess. You want to take it and do 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. Sorry, like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Rub it. You want to just rub these things in, but in the head, I'll teach you a certain way to do it. But like you want to rub these things in, because like, if it's in one spot, it'll be really strong in one spot, but like you barely smell it in another spot. But if you do that, it'll spread it all around. Now with the legs, you want to do 2 on the inside and 2 on the outside. I promise you, if this fails, you won't be able to see this video. But if you're seeing this, well then it's not a fail. You just do that for the other 2. You guys still here? I said you can skip it, but I'm just doing the last one so far. And then pads, if you just want to, you just have to do 1 on each. I'll do that since I haven't watched him in a while. Well, I haven't watched any of my stuffed animals really. I really should. I don't use perfume that much. I don't like perfume. Put some on me. I barely use it. I have this giant bottle and I don't use it. I just looked behind me because I thought I had another one. Now, it's the most dangerous part. Ow, I broke myself in the eye. So, first, with the back of the head, you want to just do that normal thing 2, though. Don't do more. Because the head is like sensitive and stuff. It's almost like the rest of the body. But like the head is where most people look. So if you're still doing this, you want to take it and put some in your hand. Like 3 squirts. Rub. And then put it on its snout if your animal has a snout. But like I said, don't blame me if this doesn't work. I just think it works. It'll just be really strong. Okay? And if you want to, you can take it and do one on each cheek. But there. He smells way better. Let me just do one more squirt in the back. 2 squirts, I mean. Jeez, that's strong. But, that's going to close out our video. Even though I still have like 6 minutes left. This is going to be one of those short videos. Should have said that in the beginning, but it's one of those short videos because like it's not that much. Depending on the size of your stuffed animal, say like if it's this big, you might need like a little more. But if it isn't and it's like this big, you probably only need like a little bit, like this big of a bottle if anything, because you barely use it. But with this, you just need to go like that and all that. Just do the same techniques. But the thing is, since it's like bigger for this girl, her name's Coco, you might want to do like 6 on the back, like 4 on the sides, if anything, or depending on the size. But one thing, you should not do it the size of this. Don't. You're just going to go through bottles way too fast. But that's going to close out our video. Sorry if the video is sideways. I'm just trying out a new technique. I might do it. I might videotape something on my computer later. I'm sorry I haven't been posting videos often. I just haven't had really any time. Well, really, no, that's all I have. But, like, I just haven't had any ideas to do with. But, like, I saw this. I was cleaning my clothing. For some reason, I put spray paint on this. I mean, I don't know what I'm talking about. But, I mean, perfume on this. And I was like, ooh, I should do it to my stuffed animals, too. There. So, I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. And leave a like. And, yeah. Bye.